Alright, so watch you now. Today, we're going to change some disc pad for one of them Toyota Hilux pickup truck here, some people say van. Now, all you need to do this are simply two pieces of tool. Which two pieces of tool? A flat point screwdriver and a pliers. But here what happen now, we have a lug tool with a flat surface on it. If you look on the lug tool here, so it have a flat surface, so we can omit the screwdriver part. See the flat surface there? So you can use as a screwdriver. So we can omit that. So you see, before we start the demonstration, we want to bear some things in mind. Procedure what we are going to carry out are the same thing for the Prado them. Any Prado at all. The Land Cruiser them. We know now some different name for them in Jamaica. But are the same thing, them. Nobody watch how them look. Nobody watch how them new. No watch how they old. The procedure for change the disc pad remains the same, even on the fortune of them. The only notable difference right here so now is with the anti-rattling pin, and we are going to show you that. So if you look at these two images, the one on the left are one type of anti-rattling clip, and the one on the right is another type of anti-rattling clip. And I'm nothing for you to be alarmed about, because either way, the tool and the principles still remain the same. So the next thing we want to observe now are them disc pad retaining pin. Yes, so. When I see them all the inner it was circle in a red, look on the pin good. See which part the circle there? On a have to go line up there so. So we will show you what I want. Just watch this now. So the caliper pin them have another little retaining pin. See it there, you don't have to use it and take it out. That is a breach of safety. Don't pay me no mind and do it. Use the flat surface. However, may I use my hand and do it, I just say go. So you put it at a safe place once you remove it, because it's easy for last. Good. And then now where the pliers come in, and they know is right here, so now which part you have to go dry it out. Now when you take it out, do it under control. Now look on the next, look on the anti-rackle clip down here. So what me tell you, you see the diagram what me show you at first? Good. So you have to put your hand over that and hold it properly. You'll see it fly and lick, somebody or lick in the air or something. So you put your hand over it. Don't follow me and do this. Make sure you hold it properly. See? And you take it out. See it? See, even when time you hold it, it fly go somewhere. I take it up and I put it back. Down. Good? Then now, you have to want your flat surface tool, because the pliers can't take it out. So you use the pliers, the screwdriver or the lug tool, and you push in that little bit. You can tap it in a little bit there so. Yes, when I do it and it not work, so you definitely have to go tap in. Or if you can put it over top there so and twist it to get some edge there so or something. Anyway, the best thing for do is just tap it. Don't use your hand as no hammer. That is a breach of safety again. But here what the whole essence of this now. The whole essence of this thing you know is where you have to pay no whole heap of money and do some little simple things like them. There are something you can do to you by yourself and save back a food, go drink rum or something. So see which part may I force out. May I force in the piston them with it. Once you do that with a flat surface tool, or with a flat point tool, rather, then you take out your disc pad. So you remember the images that you were shown earlier. This is another Hilux, same Hilux, but look what happened here so now. The anti-rattling clip is different, but the same retaining pin up here so for the pin. Remember that thing there with the hole them? See it there? Remember I said don't use it on hand and take it out, use the thing and put it under it and dry it out. However, I do this just to show you what I go here. So remember, any one of them wanna take out, just do it under control. So look how we remove this one now. See? Just like the first one. So we use the pliers and we take out the pin there. So you have to put your hand, this time you have to put your hand over the top of it because it must be done under control, or you hold it. Boom. So you take it out. See? Then you use your flat surface. This is with the screwdriver now. And you ease way. The purpose of this, we talk about that already in our braking system. We want to know if it tap up, so I think we shouldn't go back over that. So you squeeze in a piston them and you draw them out. Watch out, man, that this part are well done. So really two different Hilux this way I work on, but are the same principle except for the anti-rattling clip. Just that are the difference. The same thing with the Prado them and the same thing with everything with the Fortuner. This one where I show you are your warning clip on this pad. So you make sure you put on back your shim them and put them on properly. Notice the one with it, you can see the impression of the piston them on the shine one here. So you put back that outside. Simple. So we realize right now, say, when we put in the new disc pad here, it not fit in. You know why? The piston not squeeze in enough. And see two piston them right there. So we have to borrow one of the old one what we take out. You see the one that we just done? We borrow it and put it in and use back the flat point screwdriver or the lug tool, whichever one you have. And we squeeze it in some more. Once we see we get it into we desire or want it, then we take back the new one again and we put in. Might take little rattling, little shifting there, so and that gone in. You see that? So we probably have to go do the same thing for the next side. If them not gone in, good. But if them gone in enough, we don't need to do that. We need to just put on back the shim them, what we take off of it, and just take the time and go and fit them in. You know, as we say, might take like a rattling on this rotor. You take time and you put in and you go and laugh and go on. Yes. So see what I go right here, so I put in back this pad, pin them. Notice what I go on here, so now. You shouldn't really have to beat in, but alright, we do that. So you have to turn it and look for the hole that we show you, or we can use the pin and line it up. So you line up the first one, make certain say that an angle. I think it's a something like a degree angle up there, so. So see the anti-rattling clip me I put on back here now. Alright, so and it have a little special way for going. Some people just throw them in, but it's alright. Nothing to worry about. So yo, as we say, you shouldn't really have beat in still. So nobody follow me and do this. Just racky till it line up and then you just put in. You know, but you might want to set back there some. Good. Anyway, you don't really do no harm for tap it in still. Good. So once you tap in now, you take back the thing you know and you see, remember that whole level we are talking about, and we line up it certain way and then we put, so once you line up, you know, you put in a part there. Look. So once you put in that now, you turn it, because you have to catch the middle part. So you drop the middle part right there. So first, sometimes it kind of give you a problem, and then you just come so boom. You know, little fighting I figure go on there. You might have to just adjust that eye. So you adjust it and you push it in and bam, your dispatch change. Yeah man, so basically the easiest dispatch this me ever change still. You know. If you don't know of any other easy one, just let me know how to do for you. So just drop on your wheel them, make sure you tighten up your lug them and thing and take them down off of your jack stand or probably your dewum. So I'll just maybe a jack with some block you use, take them off, make sure your block can stand up the vehicle them properly. Remember safety. Remember safety. You must practice that. Yeah. So if you feel so you learn something from out of this video here, and this video worth watching, so you don't know what to do, like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this channel here to your friend them, you know, make other people see it. People who have Prado, Hilux, Fortuner, and them vehicle there. You know, sometimes we see some vehicle will look big, and we think that things are hard to do, and them no, it's not hard. You get what I say? Yeah man. So just make you know what go on down in the comment section. Talk to me down there so. You know the thing go. Peace out.